So, good day sir and good day classmates. So, today we will going to talk about the soil fertility and nutrient cycling. So, have you ever wondered why some other plant grow super tall and green and others just don't? Well, a big part of that magic is soil fertility. We will discuss this together with my co-reporter Miss Pasco and Miss Romero as well as Miss Sir Mabel Nasser. So, what is soil fertility? So, soil fertility is a fundamental determinant of terrestrial productivity, ecosystem sustainability, and food security. It refers to the capacity of the soil to supply essential nutrients in sufficient quantity, appropriate balance, and plant available forms and necessary to sustain biological productivity, according to Brady and Will 2017. So, we all know that soil fertility is very essential for plant growing and keeping our nature healthy, as well as making sure we have enough food to eat. So, simply put that, how will soil can give plants all the nutrients they need and the right amounts, proper balance, and also in a way that plants can use to grow so well. So, 'di ba kapag nagga-garden tayo hanap talaga tayo ng mga tatabang lupa. It's because kapag mataba yung lupa na paglalagyan natin ng mga halaman, mga prutas, or kahit anong mga halaman na ilagay mo, ay mataba din yung present doon na halaman na itatanim mo. It's because maraming nutrients doon sa soil or matabang lupa na pagtataniman mo. So, what secret behind that fertile soil? So, let's find out. So, diba, plants needs different kinds of nutrients and soil to thrive. So, these are split into two main groups. So, first, we have the primary macronutrients are the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So, ang nitrogen is the structural components of amino acids, proteins, and nucleic acids, and chlorophyll. It is therefore directly linked to vegetative growth and photosynthetic capacity. Now, however, ang nitrogen is highly dynamic in soil because it exists in organic forms and participate in biological transformation. So, ang nitrogen nato is a key part of building blocks like proteins, ang DNA, and the green stuff called chlorophyll. So, the stuff that lets kanang make food from sunlight. So, ang nitrogen na to is they can move easily around because it can be sa once living or non-living forms, and as well as a tiny organism in soil that can change one type to another. So, ang atong nitrogen is one of the most important nutrients in soil fertility because it's just like a growth fuel sa ato ang mga plants. It helps also make chlorophyll so they can turn sunlight into food via photosynthesis. That is why no nga makita nato sa ubang plant na they look pale yellow because they are lack of nitrogen, as well as it builds proteins which are essential for growing strong stem, roots, leaves, and for fruits. So next is the phosphorus. So phosphorus, these nutrients help plants to make energy through ATP. We all know naman that ATP is a primary energy currency fueling the life processes to store energy from photosynthesis and respiration. It also builds DNA and keep their cell structures strong. But we are here in the Philippines who are in hot tropical places, no? Kay dili kay ni siya makuha sa ato ang soil or plants, it because it gets stuck into our soil. It gets stuck in the iron and aluminum in our soil, which is common sa atong weathered soil. So Ang phosphorus, it is also a core part of the ATP molecule. So without it, no, ang plants can store or use energy effectively. So ang phosphorus na siya ay nucleic acid synthesis, which is involve DNA and RNA that holds genetic information and i-guide niya kung ang paunsa i-grow ang cells and paunsa mag-work. So ang phosphorus na to, it is essential for making cells, seeds, and fruits, as well as na siya membrane integrity, no? Which is plant cells are surrounded with membranes that controls what goes in and what goes out, just like waters and nutrients. So that's phosphorus work in our soil. Pero lagi dili kay ni siya makuha sa atoang soil because ma-stuck man siya sa iron and aluminum. So next is potassium. So potassium, unlike sa nitrogen and phosphorus nato, ang potassium doesn't become part of the plant tissue made of living matter. Instead, ang ato ang potassium kay it helps to control water balance, activate important enzymes, and manage niya how their leaves taken in air and release water. So basically, ang ato ang potassium, it acts as a key regulator sa ato ang soil. So it's like a water regulator. So it helps control how much water moves in or moves out of our plant cells. So keeping them plump and firm instead sa weighted or kanang siya swollen. So this balance also helps sa handle niya ang drought, no, kanang makakuha siya water, and also too much water kay kung too much water pud kay malata pud ato ang mga plants. So it also activate enzyme activation, no? It also activate enzymes gani. So it's like a tiny workers that speed up important processes in plants like kanang maghimog food, building cells, and fighting stress, no? As well as naapod stomatal functioning. Ang stomata sa plants na to are tiny breathing pores on leaves, diba? That lets in carbon dioxide for food making and release water vapor. So that's potassium works in our soil fertility. So the second group is the micronutrients. Now this involve iron, manganese, zinc, copper, boron, molybdenum, chlorine, and nickel. So even though plants don't need much of these nutrients, they are still necessary. It's because just like us, no, our bodies need some vitamins and minerals to work well. So ang atong pong plants need these tiny amounts of these nutrients to grow properly. No, without them, kay ang plants can do key jobs like making foods through photosynthesis and building strong stem or roots and producing seeds or fruits. So mo nang need gyapon ni nga mga micronutrients. They are just like a vitamin sa atong mga yuta o sa atong plants. So first nato i-discuss is the iron. So kaning iron nato, it helps make chlorophyll. So the green stuff bitaw na that captured sunlight for food. So without enough of these nutrients, no, leaves turns yellow even though the veins are green. Green, no? Manang makita nato sa ubang tanom nga kana bitaw yellow iyang dahon tapos even though ang iyang stem kay green pa. So murag gyapon na siya og tawo nga kulang bitaw dugo. So mo nang need na to og vitamins. So next is the manganese. Manganese na to is it assists with photosynthesis and help plants to use nitrogen and photosynthesis. It also protects plants from diseases. So next is the zinc. Zinc is important for making proteins and helping plants hormones work properly. So kung kulang kani, it makes kana bitawng leaves small or distorted with yellow spot. So next is the copper. It helps with energy production in plants and strengthen their cell wall. So deficiencies can cause young leaves to wilt or turn black. Next is the boron. Ang kaning boron pud nato, it helps to aid cell growth, seed formation, and moving nutrients around the plants. So without it, the roots and fruits might not develop right. So mo na makita nato sa mga mangga usahay no nga ang mangga kay napiko siya or gagmay kaayo, it's because it lacks of micronutrients. These mga micronutrients. So next is molybdenum. So kani pong molybdenum nato, it lets plants use nitrogen from the air or soil. It's key for making proteins, and too little can make leaves look pale or twisted. So next is the chlorine. Chlorine pod, it helps with photosynthesis and keeps plants from drying out. It also supports root growth and help plants fight off pests. No? I-help niya nga makuha tong mga pests palayo ba. So angat kaningan next micronutrients, no, this is the newest micronutrients recognized. It helps break down break down nitrogen in plants and is needed for healthy seed development. So makita nato no nga importante gihapon ni nga mga nutrients ato ang plants, even though bisag gagmay lang, importante gihapon siya. So ang nitrogen nato supports protein synthesis, phosphorus drives energy transfers, and potassium regulate enzymes activity and water balance. So sa here in the Philippines kay tropical area man ta, ang phosphorus jud ang dili nato kay makuha. It's because of stock man siya sa iron and aluminum oxide. So the key points to remember nato is ang nitrogen, it helps make protein. Ang phosphorus moves energy around. Ang potassium keeps plants working smoothly. So mo na to ang kuan nila lain-lain nga i-remember. So ang pinaka-importante jud dira ang NPK, the nitrogen, phosphorus, and the potassium. So that's all sa ako ang part, no. So the next will report by Ate Regine or kuan ba. So that will be all.